Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is time for another unboxing, but this isn't a normal Hot Wheels diecast unboxing. This is something a little different today. This is from Lego, guys. This is actually a collaboration between Crocs and Lego. So these are supposed to be Lego brick Crocs. So we're going to unbox this for you, show you these cool new things, and see if you can even wear them out. It's kind of awkward, so let's get this thing unboxed. All right, initially, guys, this thing is way heavier than I thought. I don't know why they're so heavy, but they are. I don't know if they're actually made out of bricks or what, but we are gonna get this thing opened up. Let's see. Holy smokes, that is a big, big box. Look how big that box is. Oh my goodness. All right, let's crack this thing open. Are you ready? Oh, all right. Crocs. What do we got here? Oh, it's actually a minifigure wearing the Crocs. That's pretty cool. So that is going to be highly sought after, I'm sure. And here are the actual Crocs, guys. Oh my gosh. They are actually super, super heavy. I'm going to go put this on the scale for you, and we can see how actually heavy these are. It is basically a brick. They weren't lying. So it's definitely not lightweight Croc material like you would have expected. All right, guys, putting it on the scale. 3 pounds, 1.5 ounces for one. So 6 pounds for the pair. That's crazy. All right, guys, so kind of sad already. The Crocs are broken. This strap broke. It's just a little plastic piece right here. And it's broken, so we're gonna have to super glue that or something, I guess. See if that'll stay on there. So, definitely not built to last. Well, let's take a look at this information here, see what they have in here for us. Don't step on Legos barefoot. Feel no pain. Lego clogs. It's telling you all these things don't do. So don't let them get dusty on your shelf. You need to wear these things. Wear these every day forever. It's definitely unique. It's telling you what pieces they use. That's pretty funny. All right, guys. What do you think? Pretty cool? They are super, super heavy. Not something I'd want to wear around. But let me know what you guys think of these things. Would you wear them out? All right, guys, that was just a quick unboxing of the Lego Crocs. So let me know what you guys think of these things down in the comments. I'll link the site where you can get these. I think they're already sold out, but they might have a restock, so you can check the comments for that. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good one.